فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Verse number 25. And give good tidings to those who believe and do righteous deeds, that they will have gardens in paradise beneath which rivers flow, whenever they are provided with a provision of fruit. Therefrom they will say, this is what we were provided with before, and it is given to them in likeness. And they will have 12 purified spouses, and they will abide therein eternally. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this ayah directly didn't say congratulations to those who believe. Rather, Allah commanded Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to congratulate those who believe. Allah Almighty said, وَبَشِّرِ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أَنَّ لَهُمْ جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِن تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارُ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala stated that paradise has rivers that run beneath it, meaning underneath its trees and rooms. We ask Allah to grant paradise to us, for verily He is the most beneficent, most gracious. Every righteous deed must meet two conditions to be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Sincerity. This is achieved when the righteous deeds are for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the second one, following Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is achieved when righteous deeds are done exactly as prescribed by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. These two conditions are met, Allah Rahman will accept the righteous deed. In this case, the Lord will reserve the reward in this life and in the hereafter, as promised by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The similarity between fruits of paradise. Allah said next, كُلَّمَا رُزِقُوا مِنْهَا مِن ثَمَرَةٍ رِزْقًا قَالُوا هَذَا الَّذِي رُزِقْنَا مِن قَبْلُ. Whenever they are provided with a provision of fruit, therefrom they will say, this is what we were provided with before. It is reported that Yahya bin Abi Khatir said, the grass of paradise made of saffron, and your sons from musk, and the boys of everlasting youth will serve believers with the fruits which they will eat. They will then be brought similar fruits, and the people of paradise will comment, this is the same as what you have just brought us. This boy will say to them, eat, for the color is same, but the taste is different. Hence Allah's statement, وَأُتُوا بِهِ مُتَشَابِهًا. And it is given to them in likeness. They are similar to the fruits of this life, but the fruits of paradise taste better. The spouses of people of paradise are pure. Allah said, وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا أَزْوَاجٌ مُطَهَّرَةٌ. And they will have therein purified spouses, means they will be purified from filth, impurity and sin. وَهُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. And they will abide therein forever, meaning ultimate happiness, for the believers will enjoy everlasting delight, safe from the death and disruption of their bliss, from it never ends or ceases.